In this video, we are out at RC Field Days. Someone had the idea of we should do some sumo, RC sumo, threw down a plastic table and fun ensued. Let's go check it out. 3, 2, 1, go!
3, 2, 1, go.
I had traction on you. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, there you go.
Go! I don't think he's out yet.
He's out now. 3, 2, 1, go! It's a game of chicken now. Oh, he got. Oh, well. Oh! Both heavy trucks. Oh, you got me! Oh my gosh, here we go. I guess, all right. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, look at that! Oh. Winner, winner! Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh, 5-way again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm out. 3, 2, 1, go. The Ecto being lightweight, probably not a good thing for this. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm on grass.
No.
Winner, winner. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, look at win.
Whatever you want.
We're literally just giggling. We're giggling and having fun. Really, is basically what's
If
happening
you got
here.
somebody you want to go against, just you and them, we're down.
I can't even get in.
Yeah, that's the comment.
Everybody can do that.
There you go.
There we go.
All right, so you got low and lightweight. I'll be interested to see how this goes. 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that was a draw.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we're coming with strategy this time. There you go. 3, 2, 1, go. Get him, Lance, get him. Oh! Right there, right in the middle. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! I think, are you out? I think.
Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, okay, so the creep wins. There we go. Are we just going? All right, pull on up, pull on up. 3, 2, 1, go. We're already going. Oh, you're upside down.
I'm done. No. No.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.